year after year to its portfolio, but also the innovation that it has been bringing to you as the barber community. I mean, we always needed such a brand in our Henkel portfolio, and we always had Moses, which is one of the best styling products or styling portfolios. We always had other care brands such as Mohacure or the Skull Clinics or the Fiber Clinics, but Statement was the first brand that was really made for barbers. And we're very happy that the brand is also expanding in a very exponential way. So we have new products that are being launched next month, which introduce the shaving range that includes the shaving cream, the shaving gel, and an aftershave. And I think there's a very, very bright future for Statement. So especially with a community such as ours and the way we were able to bring together our community, I think we have a very strong future ahead of us.